Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. 5 Mile Plains is a rural community located in Hants County, Nova Scotia, just west of Windsor. The community sits along Highway 1 and forms part of the Windsor area, providing residents with easy access to nearby services while maintaining a strong connection to agriculture and the countryside. Although 5 Mile Plains is a relatively small community, it has played an important role in the development of the region for generations. The area is part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq people, who lived and traveled throughout the region for thousands of years before European settlement. Rivers, forests, and fertile lands provided resources for hunting, fishing, and transportation. The nearby Avon River Valley was particularly important because it connected communities throughout central Nova Scotia and provided access to productive agricultural lands. European settlement expanded into the Windsor area during the 18th century. The fertile soil of the Annapolis Valley and the surrounding plains attracted farmers who established homesteads throughout the region. Agriculture quickly became the foundation of the local economy, and communities such as 5 Mile Plains developed around farming, transportation routes, and local commerce. The name 5 Mile Plains is believed to come from its location approximately 5 miles from the historic town of Windsor. During the 19th century, roads connecting Windsor to other parts of Nova Scotia passed through the area, helping establish the community as a small but important agricultural district. Farmers transported crops, livestock, and goods through the region as trade expanded across the province. Agriculture remains one of the defining features of 5 Mile Plains today. The surrounding landscape includes farmland, woodlots, and open fields that contribute to the rural character of the area. Local farms produce a variety of crops and agricultural products, continuing a tradition that stretches back more than 2 centuries. Farming remains an important part of the economy and culture of Hants County. One of the advantages of living in 5 Mile Plains is its proximity to Windsor. Residents have easy access to schools, healthcare services, shopping centers, restaurants, and recreational facilities while enjoying a rural setting. This combination has attracted families and individuals looking for larger properties and a more spacious lifestyle within commuting distance of Halifax. The population of 5 Mile Plains is relatively small, with the community forming part of the larger West Hants region. Growth has been steady in recent years as more people choose to live outside larger urban centers while maintaining access to employment opportunities in Windsor, Halifax, and other nearby communities. Housing in 5 Mile Plains consists primarily of detached homes on larger lots. Many properties offer significant outdoor space, reflecting the rural nature of the community. Average house prices generally range between $400,000 and $650,000, depending on property size, acreage, age, and condition. Larger rural properties and hobby farms can command considerably higher prices. Today, 5 Mile Plains remains a community shaped by its agricultural roots, rural landscape, and close connection to Windsor and the Annapolis Valley. Its history reflects the development of central Nova Scotia from early settlement through modern growth. With fertile farmland, scenic surroundings, and convenient access to nearby services, 5 Mile Plains continues to offer a distinctive blend of history, community, and country living.
Thanks for watching!